Identification. Mineral identification is the process of determining the type of mineral present in a sample based on its physical and chemical properties. Mineralogists use a variety of techniques to identify minerals, including visual observation, hardness testing, and chemical analysis. The physical properties of minerals that are commonly used for identification include color, luster, streak, cleavage, fracture, and specific gravity. To identify a mineral, one can start by observing its physical characteristics such as its color, luster, streak, and hardness. Color is not always a reliable characteristic for mineral identification since different minerals can have the same color. Luster refers to the way light reflects off the surface of a mineral and can be metallic or non-metallic. Streak is the color of a mineral's powder when it is scraped across a surface and can be used to distinguish between minerals with similar colors. Hardness is determined by scratching the mineral with an object of known hardness and is measured on the Mohs scale from 1, softest, to 10, hardest. Once these physical properties have been observed, one can use identification resources such as books or flowcharts to compare the mineral's traits to those of known mineral types. Mineralogists may also use more advanced techniques such as X-ray diffraction or electron microscopy to identify minerals with greater accuracy.